Get in my eye. Play it, I'ma set it on fire. Out your fucking mouth! My little bitch is a masterpiece. What color was her shirt? Tell me now. It's okay, I don't know either. But I want this makeup right now. Her makeup is flawless. She said she puts her lotion on first. I already have that, so I'm gonna move on to the primer. She uses the putty primer, but this is basically the same. My pores are saying stop not sleeping and also drink some water. But it's low-key really good. Look at this. The signs of all the men stressing me out through all my life, gone. Now she puts like a highlighter all over her face. I am not sure about this. I am putting all my trust in this. It does feel wrong, honestly. It's suspicious. It's giving sunburn. I am definitely glowing. Then she does her eyes and eyebrows. As much as I can see, our bestiana is wearing tape. She says tape, I say tape. She says bark, I bark. I taped myself up and realized I didn't do my brows. My eyelids. We are gonna blend out some brown on my eye. Now I'm doing the liner unsuccessfully. I think it's kind of a puppy dog eyeliner. Then we smear it around. Okay, I blended a little bit with the brown and now the moment of truth. Very dramatic. This is the foundation she's using. I hope it covers whatever we got going on underneath. Of course I did that. This one really covering all of my mistakes. A little bit snowman, but we're trusting the process. This is how I did the contour. He uses this blush, so I'm gonna use this blush. This is how she did it. I'm sorry, girl, but this is so sus. I don't know. I need to go out after this, and I'm scared. I don't know. Then we're gonna do this. I have something against this lash. This eye, I don't know, we're beefing. I'm gonna use this setting spray, and she says, let your face soak. I am soaking. Okay, now that it's dry, we set it. Okay, and this would be it. Honestly, it's good. I'm gonna go do my hair. I'm getting back with a transition. I'm gonna make my friend do it with me. See ya in a bit.